Okay, so let me quickly show you what Whitechapel looks like at night. It's more or less like it's part of the city of London. Okay, so this area is called Whitechapel. As you can see, that's their road signs. Two other places right there. All your magnificent buildings. Yeah, it's all part of East London. As I said, it's gonna be all East London tonight. Building there's Whitechapel Station right there. Sorry? Not tonight, mate. Can't afford it, mate.
If you can, I'll be a great view, man.
Bro, you have more money than me, man. Jesus. You get loads of beggars this time at night. I'd be homeless if I keep giving my money away every night. Right, so let's move on. Let's move on. Easy tell. I don't know why they decided to name this building Kensington Apartments. Kensington is miles and miles away. Nice building though. Kensington Apartments. Yeah. I don't know why. Still. So, yeah, I'm moving on towards Liverpool Street Station. I'm going to see how far I go tonight. I'm up for it. What's that one? That's another tall buildings. Jeez. They build this block so fast. I tell you. I haven't even seen this one before. How many stories? I see about 20. I don't know. Dining Point is called. Check it out. It's a little dining point on Commercial Street. But I think it's about 20, I don't know, 22, 23. Something like that. I don't know if I can see. But it's very tall. Impressive. Dining Point, and it's number 33 if you're interested. Probably still, some of it probably still empty. You probably might be able to rent an apartment there. So I don't know. You never know. Moving on. Look at that. See those buildings there? That used to be the stock exchange. I think one of them is actually stock exchange, but I'm not sure which is which. Too dark. Yeah, London is beautiful. And this is the financial center. Those buildings. Where's that nice coming from? Mexicana. You're looking for a Mexican club to go to? This is it. Club Mexicana. Club Mexicana. It's closed right now. So, yeah, it's a bit quiet. Be quiet now. This end of Commercial Street is quiet. Nothing's happening. Alright, so yeah. See you in the next video.